that takes us to our stock of the day. It is a Goldie, and let's get to it because it is St Barbara, and the gold miner is saying its Simberi operations in Papua New Guinea have more than 3 months of diesel supply. That's despite global energy disruptions. Meanwhile, key approvals for the $370 million deal over Simberi with China's Lingbao Gold Group and Kumul Mineral Holdings has been secured, with the deal expected to be completed next month. Kai, let's start with you because St Barbara has, of course, had its issues.
No, absolutely. I think for St Barbara, it's not a massive producer. It's probably one of the small to mid-tier producers. It produces about 40,000 ounces per year, but the cost is fairly high at about $5,400. So, it's had some issues. However, it does have some positive news going for it. So basically, they're planning to expand on the Simberi gold project, which is expected to lift to about 200,000 ounces with a much cheaper ASEC. Now, I think in terms of safety, there's probably better mines out there that I would be looking for, probably in the mid to the larger tier because of this correction. But St Barbara is not bad. In terms of, I saw the announcement this morning as well, they have enough diesel for about 3 months.
Yep.
So they do have adequate reserves to continue operating normally for a while. So that's reassuring.
All right, so what would you do with it?
I would be looking to buy. So if you have it, I would hold it.
You're looking to buy everywhere in the gold sector.
Oh yeah. I think it's much more about finding the right ones to buy because a lot of there'll be opportunity throughout the whole gold sector.
Yep.
I think it's finding the best ones to buy first.
All right. Okay. Now, David. In fact, we just had a look at the 5-year chart there. It's a bit different to what else we're seeing in some of those gold stocks because obviously we know how well they have done, given where the gold price has gone. And St Barbara has struggled.
Yeah, well, again, as Kai pointed out, they're a high-cost producer. I mean, they're working on lowering their costs, and they've got a target of up to 200,000 ounces to produce. So it is a good longer-term, buy investment, but it's not my preferred. Like Kai pointed out, there's a lot of other better choices out there right now than St Barbara. But I do like St Barbara, and look, they've got 7.9 million ounce resource and about 3.8 million ounces in reserve. That's a lot of gold. Okay, but it's again comes back to what's the cost of production now that diesel costs have gone up. So there's going to be some number crunching here on the cost side, of course, with like I said, with diesel prices. But it comes back to what the gold price does. We see support at that level that I showed you, and if it just consolidates here and stays here around 6,400 Aussie, that'll be very profitable for a lot of these producers. So it's a little bit of an overreaction, but I do like St Barbara. I just wouldn't be my preference right now on my top of my shopping list. There's many others.
Would you buy that?
Not right now.
No.
Not St Barbara. There's others that I would buy over St Barbara.
All right, so that is the view of our stock of the day, St Barbara. It is a buy and a hold.